Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, can we assign value to multiple variables in a single line in Java? The answer is yes and no both. Okay. So why yes, why no? I'm going to explain now. Okay. So most of the people give the answer as only yes. And most of the interviewers will also expect you to give the answer as yes. Okay. Because there's no problem in that, because it's possible in Java to assign a value to multiple variables in a single line. So if it is yes, it is yes only, right? But we also have to talk about the no case when it is not possible also. Okay. So I want to give you a better answer. Okay. If you get this kind of question in the interviews, if you want to give a better answer, you have to better answer both yes and no cases. When it will be yes and when it will be no also, if you answer, then you are a better person, better way you can answer that question. Okay. So the interviewer may also expect yes from you, but still if you can give an answer for no and reason for that, then the interviewer will get impressed by your answer. Okay. You have to give the reasons. Without reasons, it won't work out, because the interviewers also will think that the answer is only yes, but you have to convince them saying that it's both yes and no. In what case it is yes, in what case it is no. If you are able to answer, then interviewer will get impressed. Okay. So in what case it is yes? In what cases you can assign a value to multiple variables in a single line in Java? When all these multiple variables are of the same data type, then it is possible to assign a value to multiple variables in a single line. But if one or few of that particular multiple variables, list of variables in that multiple variables have a different data type, then it is not possible to assign a value to multiple variables in a single line if any of these variables in that multiple variables list is having a different data type. Let me show you this in a practical way. Further, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE and going to create a new class just for, some random class just for demonstration purpose. I'm just giving a random name. Click on and just select auto-generating the main method in Eclipse IDE here for demonstration. And here I'm going to create some variables. I'm going to declare them with same data type, int A, int B, int C, okay, like that. Some multiple variables I created, guys, of same data type. Now if I want to assign a value to these multiple variables in a single line, can I do that? A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 3. Is it possible? Yes. You see, I'm able to assign a single value to these multiple variables in a single line. I can print it out using system.out.println A, system.out.println, system.out.println B, system.out.println C. Okay, like this I can write. So what will be printed in the output? For A, 3 will be printed. For B, 3 will be printed. For C, because same value is assigned to multiple variables in a single line, and it is working fine if all these variables are declared with the same data type. You see, 3, 3, 3 got printed, is working fine. If you make one of these variables of different data type, for example, if I make this as Boolean, the moment I make it Boolean, you see, I'm getting a compiler error saying type mismatch, cannot convert from int to Boolean. One of the variable is of a different data type, so cannot assign a value to these multiple variables in a single line. Even you make it short also, a similar kind of data type if you give, okay? You see, 3 can be stored into the B if you did it individually. If I say short B is equal to 3, it would have been possible. But if you are assigning this value to multiple variables in a single line, make sure that all these variables are of same data type. There should not be even a small deviation in the data type. Okay. Okay. So same data type, it's mandatory, guys. You see, again, you are getting a type mismatch, cannot convert from into short. Only one type of value will go here. Okay. So they should be of the same data type. There should not be any deviation in the data type. All the variables should be declared with the same data type. Okay. If you want to assign a value to multiple variables in a single line, if that need to be possible, all the variables should be of the same data type. Okay, then only it is possible. It is not possible if any of the variables in that particular multiple variables are of a different data type. Okay, then it's not possible. So with practical demonstration, I've answered this question for you. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.